Siren Channel.
A for Addax, roaming the dunes so wide. B for bandit Krait, slithering by your side. C for Canadian Eskimo dog in the Arctic cold. D for dapper gray horse with a spirit so bold. E for eastern gorilla, in the jungle they thrive. F for fangtooth, deep in the ocean they died. G for gannet, soaring above the sea. H for hammerhead shark, where the waves run free. I for Icelandic sheepdog in Iceland's land. J for jaguarundi with a coat so grand. K for Keysond with a fluffy face. L for lake sturgeon in waters they embrace. M for magpie in trees they perch and play. N for Nandu on the South American way. O for okapi in the African domain. P for Pakistani bulbul with a melodious strain. Q for quoll in Australia they roam. R for radiated tortoise calling Madagascar home. S for summer with antlers tall and strong. T for Tamandua, where the trees belong. U for Ulysses, butterfly with wings so bright. V for Vancouver Island, marmot in the alpine light. W for warbler, singing in the spring. X for xenops, on branches they swing. Y for yellow jacket, buzzing in the air. Z for Zebu with a hum so fair. These creatures from A to Z, they're all around. In nature's wondrous world they can be found. Let's explore and learn, hand in hand, about the animals that grace our land. Like and subscribe for more video.